guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. And y'all, I took that dreaded crochet hair out. If you guys take a look at the previous video before this one, yeah, so I snatched that out. It didn't even last a week because I look like a poodle. But so I somewhat remixed the braid pattern because I have a tapered haircut. Excuse me, y'all, I ain't brushed my sides and my back yet, so don't talk about me too bad. But I revamped the braid pattern a little bit. So I did do the random, so I didn't take this much out. So this is pretty much the random parting that I always do. If you need a full detailed video of that, I do have that. I'll put that in the link description below. But once I got to about right here, I'll probably say to the tip of my ears, I went on ahead and did some straight backs, y'all. So as y'all can see, I did the straight backs back here because I felt like when I did the rubber bands in the back to get like the little pieces of hair, it ended up feeling very uncomfortable. And when I leaned back, I was like, oh, it feels tight. So I went on ahead and did the straight backs. Y'all can see, to make it a little bit better. And then I sewed it. I sewed each braid just to create a little bit more stability. So enough about that. Let's go ahead and get into the install. I will be using Twisted Up hair. This is the boho wavy bum twist. And it says 18 strands. This is the color 2T1B 350, and it's a passion twist style, but they're boho. And I think the length is 18 inches, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, made by Expressions Outre. So let's go ahead and install these babies in. So see you in a bit. guys, so here is the final product. I used 4 packs, and y'all see how full this is. Like, it almost looks like I didn't even have a shaved head. Yeah, this hair is super full, guys, and this is what it looks like. Like, I'm imagining I made my parts a little bit smaller, and as y'all can see, I didn't totally redo everything, so I probably could have gotten away with 3 packs, but I used 4 because I could still see like my color a little bit too much, and I didn't like that. Even though I know it's a rose gold, so it's gonna stand out. Not if I had like a darker black hair or brown hair, you probably wouldn't be able to see if it looked like my braid patterns typically do. So that's the only thing, having lighter hair on top and having darker hair. And I tried to find like a rose gold or a more prettier blonde, and all they had was, of course, the 613. They didn't even have a 27 613 in the store. So I just went with this color because this color just pops, and this is the, y'all saw, it's like the 2T350 or something like that. So yeah, so even when I pull it up, like, of course this part it's right here. Of course that part is too short for me to braid up, but I probably won't wear it all up. But as y'all can see, if you didn't know, you wouldn't even know. Y'all see how full this hair is? You wouldn't even know that I had shaved sides or back. You couldn't even tell. So I do like half up, half down type deal to kind of show stuff off, or like I'm wearing it all down, kind of over to the side, or like and I've also been wearing it in like a high pony, and it's super cute, guys, and it's not heavy. Of course, it's just 4 packs in here. Like I said, it's not like a whole head of hair, and I probably wouldn't use more than 6 packs because his hair is fluffy, but it's very lightweight. So yeah, I would definitely suggest it. If it does, I feel like if this hair does get frizzy, I could put some mousse on it to kind of calm any frizziness down. But it's, thank goodness, it's not giving me poodle hair like the other hair was. So far, guys, I like it. I am definitely digging it, and I like the looser, it's the bomb twist. I like this curl pattern. They did have another curl pattern, but it was a little too tight for me, and like I said, the tighter the curl pattern, the more it tends to frizz up. I don't know if you guys noticed that with any type of crochet hair, but it's like the tighter or the coilier, the more coily the hair is, it tends to frizz up. So yeah, so far so good, guys. I will let you know how it goes. I've only had this in because I didn't do the full face and all that. After I put it in, I had to wait a few days because I just been super busy. So it's been almost 4 or 5 days now, and I've just been wearing it in a ponytail or half up, half down. So other than that, yes, I would highly recommend this hair. Yeah. So I will catch you guys on the next Candy's Hair Diary video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.